National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Moultrie County, southern Piatt County, southwestern Champaign County, northwestern Douglas County, southeastern Macon County until 2 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Decatur, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Decatur, Long Creek, and Decatur Airport around 1:25 p.m. Saratoga around 1:30 p.m. and then around 1:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Icedale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 211 and 227. Interstate 72 between mile markers 133 and 151. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for